We've been asked this question a lot. Why did we choose to build Zero Network on the ZK stack? Well, it primarily boils down to three reasons. Firstly, there are some seriously innovative and cool chains building on the Elastic Chain community. This enables us to scale quickly while ensuring interoperability and bridging seamlessly across the other chains. Secondly, native account abstraction. This allows for smooth and user-friendly wallet interactions, which makes it easier to onboard users with gasless transactions, something that wasn't really available on any other stacks. Lastly, scalability with ZK proofs. ZK stack provides better performance by compressing data more efficiently, drastically reducing transaction costs compared to alternative providers. This truly positions us for the future of crypto, one that's fast, free, and familiar.